Bump, 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 bump. This is how we systemize it. Bump, 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 bump. Okay, sorry, how you doing? Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net. I think that's what my kids mean when they say, Dad, you are being a dorky dad, but I don't care. I'm a slave to the rhythm. I just can't help it, so forget them. I'm here to help you today. I'm here to help you systemize your bar and restaurant. This is part one of a 4-part video series in which I'm going to show you 4 different templates to help you systemize your bar on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. This is going to help you really move the needle. I'm talking Richter scale movement so you can be more successful and systemize your business. Anyone knows about systemizing knows that it's the true key to really growing your sales and your profits. Now, if this is your first time here and you're interested in running a better bar restaurant, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell there so you can learn more about that, as well as keep up on my singing and dancing. You're welcome. So let's get started. The first one we're going to do, the first template in the series, is the daily sales and cash reconciliation sheet. Let me get out of the way. There we go. This is a template that everyone needs. Everyone needs to record their daily sales. So we're going to start with daily, and then we have 2 weekly templates, and then we're going to finish up with the monthly template. The profit loss template will be the last one. We're building step by step in this system. So let's get this show on the road. I'm going to switch this template out. This is a blank template. I'm going to switch it out with one that has already been filled out, so you can see what's going on. I don't want you to have to watch me fill out the entire thing. Now, if you go to therealbarman.com, to the resource page, this template is on there, as well as the other 3 financial templates. You can get them there. I have a link down in the description for you to click there, go straight there. For now, let's get to the lesson though. So, what is a daily sales and cash reconciliation sheet? Maybe you are new to this and you don't have anything in place. Maybe you've been doing it for a while and you just want something better. Maybe you're just curious. This is literally recording your daily sales directly from your POS system, or maybe you just have a cash register. I hope you have a POS system. And you're going to come here every single day. You're going to sit down in the morning at the same time every day because you're systemizing your bar and restaurant. And you're going to do this on a daily basis. And you're going to run your daily report from your POS system. If you just have a cash register, just put in your total sales for the day, and that's all you're going to do. But the more detailed you can get, the better off you're going to be. So I'll zoom in here a little bit. We're going to head over here to your sales. It's broken down by these categories right here. Like I said, the more detailed, the better. You're just going to enter them right here. It's super simple. Now, you can categorize these any way you want. You can change the title of this. You just can't delete any rows or add any rows. It screws up the formulas. Speaking of the formulas, everything in blue is a formula. You don't need to fill in anything there. That's automatically going to fill in. As I put 1249 in right here, it's going to fill 1249 in over here. You'll notice there's an AM shift and a PM shift. You can break it down if you want. You'll notice there's register 1, 2, 3, both for day and night. Now, some people don't want to do AM, PM. They just want to do for the entire day. Change that title to the entire day. That's fine. Then you're going to go ahead and just do the entire day's sales right there. So that's totally up to you. Again, breaking down by detail, you can see what was sold during the day and night. I like things broken down myself. That's what I recommend. But you don't have to. You can go ahead and just do the entire day. So once you enter your sales here for all of your separate categories, no wine here. I guess they don't sell wine at this bar. You'll see your total show up clear on this right-hand column over here. So if you don't fill out the right side here, it'll just fill it over here anyway. It's going to match if you just do one side. These numbers will match. If not, it's going to add this number and this number together. I only did one register on each side just to keep it simple. Now we come down to comps and discounts. Again, we have these listed here. I have 10 spots here for you to fill out if you want. You can do it like I do, or you can put your own titles in here, but we see that we put the discounts in for the day, and here's your total discounts. We have night over here as well, and you're going to get your total discounts for the day clear over in the right-hand column. Down here at net sales, all net sales are your sales minus your comps and discounts. One thing I need to mention, your employee credit card tips need to go right here. So you need to put that up in sales. Make sure you don't forget that. All of this is going to subtract your sales from your comps and discounts, and it's going to end up in this blue section here. Again, blue means don't touch. All of this is going to be filled out for you, and it's going to give you your total net sales right here. Then you add your sales tax after all of this. Got it? Then you're going to get your gross receipts right there. Now we're coming down to payouts. Again, I have 10 slots for payouts that you can add and make your own. And then you're just going to fill that out. And again, it's going to take care of your payouts. it's going to subtract that number and give you your cash to account. Now that's how much cash you should have in hand. Now we get into the cash reconciliation. The first part was the sales. We're entering sales, we're entering discounts, we're entering payouts, we're entering all of that. Now we're talking about reconciliation. That means the cash that comes in, this number right here, should match the total settlement you have down here. So let's start entering our settlement numbers. We have gift receipts. You're going to enter that right here. Then you have all your credit cards. Then you have your cash. You enter all those numbers, and it should match right here. And you can see there's 74 cents off. Now we come to the night crew. We enter all those numbers again. They're $5.07 off. Not too bad considering how many sales I have. It's going to add it all up. And for the day, they're $5.81 short. Not horrible. And then at the bottom here, we have one final fun little tool, the sales per labor per hour, AM and PM if you want. If you put the total hours in, it will give you your sales per hour. Kind of a fun metric to do right there. So that's going to do it. That's your quick rundown of the daily sales and cash reconciliation sheet. You can see how easy it is to fill out. It has all the formulas built in. It's awesome. The last thing I'm going to show you down here at the bottom, it has the days of the week on there. So it's not just one sheet per day that you have to download. You can download it for the entire week, and then you're just going to go day to day, fill in your sales, keep track of it, make sure that what comes in matches. Then this is going to move us to the next step in the systemizing 4 templates, which is the weekly sales and prime cost report. And prime cost is super important. If you don't track prime cost, you need to start doing it. A lot of people only do it on a monthly basis, but it's very hard to identify problems from the 1st through the 30th when things are happening in between. So we're going to track prime cost on a weekly basis. Make sure to check out video number 2 to go see how that works. Again, go down into the description, link below to the resource page at therealbarman.com. If not, you can go directly to Systemize Your Finances course, and that's going to give you all 4 templates for free, as well as a lot of instruction and education in there on how to start systemizing your bar. So that's going to do it for now. I'll see you at the next video, and I'll see you next time. I'm Dave the Real Barman. I'm out of here.